Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to perform a self-diagnosis on your Samsung ViewFinity S7. Let's begin. Now, first you want to navigate into your menu by pressing power button on the back or even on your monitor. Go up and click menu. Here you can see a bunch of different options. And as you could probably see, we need to click support. And the very first option you will see is self-diagnosis. We click it. And now the test screen will now be shown. So now we have to carefully look at the test screen for 5 seconds. And now we can press yes in order to continue or no if we don't see any problem. You should probably use this if you spot any issues or any problems with your monitor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.